my favorite type of videos that YouTubers do are ones where they go through the stats. They show their channel, they show how much viewers they got. And I was thinking, you know what? Most of those channels are already prolific, big. However, most of us who want to start a YouTube channel don't know what what the success rate is, what like the starting point is, like how much views will videos or shorts or any of that get us. And there's not much content showing a new channel that does get a little bit of viewers, how that growth looks, and some of the initial startings and what you can expect. So I thought, you know what, might as well go through my channel, go through all of the stats, and just show you guys. So I have 10 subscribers, 9 in the last 28 days. Insanely grateful. Have about 2.2k total views and 18.5 hours watched, which is insane. I would have never thought from about 3 videos and 5 reels that so many people would watch for so long. That's already insanely incredible to me. So I'm grateful there. And then there's the subscribers here. It is Stacy Ha and Osama Alarajin. I hope I pronounced it right. But shout out to Stacy Ha 100. I think that was the first subscriber, and Osama, that was the second one. So thank you very much. And then these are all of the videos, and we're gonna go into like the details of each view count. So these stats right here are delayed, and I will show you the live view counts too. So let's go into the analytics here. So 2.2k views, 18 hours watched, and 9 subscribers. With that, this is how it's broken down. The reels do a lot better than the shorts. Sorry, the shorts, the reels are Instagram, do so much better than the videos. I assume my video quality is not that crazy. If I'm being honest. Right now, there's a lot of work to be done, but whenever you create a short, it gets on average 10 times the viewage. So that's a little insight. And how the problem is, you don't really convert. These videos don't really convert to viewers. So this video has 500 views right here. Let's go to the top viewed video. 500 views. Very quick drop off time. And the reach is 2,000 were in feed and only 506 views. Not the worst, I assume. And most of it was the YouTube Shorts feed. This is pretty typical for a YouTube Short, at least mine. And this is the engagement, and you can see it like plateaus. It starts quick rise and then plateaus, and average 15 seconds, which is pretty good since it's about 15 seconds. So you get the full watch time, though that's only like 1/100th of the video. And there are 5 returning viewers, which I'm surprised. I did not think YouTube Shorts would get returning viewers. So thank you to those who liked it so much. And 504 unique views. And this is the demographic. Most people are not subscribed. Obviously, I have 10 subscribers. I think it would be shocking. And then most of it is from the United States, United Kingdom, Germany, India, and Canada. So a lot of it is Europe. And then I was surprised India. I thought India might be a little bit higher because there's a lot of developers there, but maybe not. Maybe my content does not reach there. But a lot of it is in Europe and predominantly English-speaking countries. So thank you there. No subtitles. I don't really make my own subtitles, so no one really watches. Now this is the top video I have, and this is the engagement here, and it looks like likes, dislikes. I don't get very many likes. I get a lot of dislikes, but I'm surprised. It's gotten better, about 81%, but I think the audience, you might be shocked to find out, is pretty much 100% male. Which is insane. That is crazy. I would think there's maybe one female that's all it. Maybe there was, and it's so small that it doesn't matter, but I would have thought just one female would have watched it, but nope. And you can see predominantly English-speaking countries, and shout out to Malaysia and the Philippines. I don't know if they actually watch it, but since they're included, that's interesting. But my audience is about 18 to 34, predominantly 25 to 34-year-old males. No females. So When I say boys, I literally mean it. There are no females watching this content. And this is the video that got the most views, and I don't particularly know why. I don't think it was a very good quality video. I don't think I really make great videos, but this is how most people found it. YouTube Home, which is, I'm not sure what YouTube Home is, but a lot of people were finding it through YouTube Home and directly going to the video. I'm thinking like YouTube recommended it. So, yeah, I'm surprised. Is this for YouTube Home? Is that for TVs? Oh, YouTube, the homepage. I am okay. That makes sense. So the homepage. So for YouTube Home, I guess it showed up on people's feeds. They really liked it and it clicked through. I'm not sure why, but hey, more power. Thank you, YouTube. And this is the video drop off. It looks like I said, this is, they say it's pretty common. Viewers still watching around 30. It seems like the drop off is normal, and then it's a steady decline. So only 4% of people get to the end of the video, and I can respect it. I do have to, improve that quality. So this is my most viewed video. Watch hours, 11 hours. That is insane. This makes up the majority of watch hours. That is insane. And it gained me 4 subscribers. So, great. I'm grateful. So this is the reach. How the click-through rate was about 6.4 on that homepage. 299 views from 2,300 impressions. So how many people actually saw that the video exists but never really clicked it? And you can see YouTube, the number one reason I got there is YouTube recommending content. So if you're a small channel, try to get something that YouTube recommends, I guess. And you will get a surprising amount of views. And this is the like to dislike. I am surprised, like 92% have liked it. 92% of people. Average view duration is at 2 minutes. I have to increase the quality. That's all that's saying. And average percentage views about 18%. So the thumbnails are not the worst. What an average YouTube video, when you guys are making your content, which I hope you do, you should expect. Maybe even the one underneath right here. 29 views, 1 hour watch. That is, I think, fairly great. And then most of them are through browse and suggested video. I think the thumbnail needs some work. It's a little too dark and it's a little too plain, so it's not very interesting to look at. And it has about an 8.3% click-through rate, which is not terrible. And how about 156 impressions with 5 return viewers, which is awesome. So let's just get so that's a breakdown of most of the videos I made this week. So let's do a full overlook of my analytics. And this is when you guys start making videos, this is probably what you should expect. This is the live counter. So whenever I make a reel, the count gets insanely high. I think disproportionately high. But as you can see, in the last 24 hours, this one has 227 views. Well, most of the regular videos have like 4 or 5, which is typical. 8.7 hours watched, 9 plus views, and I think I went through most of the stats. And for earnings, if you actually want to earn money, you will need to first get 500 subs, 3,000 views, and 3 million short views. So if anyone wants to know how much money I made, it's $0. $0 from everything. So that covers the majority. This is, as creators, if you guys, as engineers, want to move into the creator space starting now, these are kind of the stats you should expect. And I don't think my quality, the content quality I made was very good. It wasn't, anything revolutionary, but I enjoyed it and I enjoyed releasing it, talking about software and things I have seen and like to do. But through that, I'm able to get this kind of viewership, and I think most of you can too. I think there's there's much more talented people that are maybe watching this. Maybe 5 of you watch it, and 1 of you makes something much better. But yeah, and you can see this is the breakdown of the shorts viewership, which is those YouTube videos. We can see 962 and 929 of those um, were views, and very few actually translated to views for your video. So if you're thinking of doing shorts, just know it most likely won't go and become YouTube views. And you can see this is the breakdown of the majority of my views. The shorts feed, browsing for the video, and then other YouTube features like being featured on the homepage and other parts. So these are the complete stats. I've been doing it for a week, and I've been enjoying it. I enjoy looking at this. I've honestly been obsessed. I kind of look through and refresh my app every second just to see how many views I get.